Hello, my dear students. Myself Pooja Jalan. Welcome, all of you. Today, we will talk about small, big, long, wide, every type of ears in this chapter 2, Ear to Ear, of EVS Standard 4 NCERT. So, children, as all of you know that we have five sense organs. For example, skin, eyes, nose, tongue, and ears, right? Ears help us to hear different type of noise. As we can see that in humans, everyone has same ears, but different animals have different ears. So first of all, look at this picture. In this picture, are these animals looking funny? Yes, because their ears are exchanged to each other. That's why these animals are looking somehow funny. For example, look at the picture of elephant. It has very small ears. It is not just like that, right? Because we know that an elephant has very big ears. So children, here animals are asking to each other, who has got my ears? Let us see the real ears first. As we can see in picture that elephant has big fan type ears. Giraffe. Yes, giraffe has leaf type ears. Buffalo, as you can see in picture that it has ears on both sides of its head, right? And rabbit. Rabbit has ears on top of its head. Here in this picture we can see that deer has leaf type ears. Mouse. It has tiny ears. Some dogs have droopy ears. Droopy means hanging down, downside. Okay. Some dogs' ears are straight up. So all of you now understood which animal has which type of ears, right? So here first example is given that elephant. Here it has tiny ears, and we know that who has tiny ears? Yes, answer is mouse. Second, rabbit. Here rabbit has yellow color ears. So just observe who has yellow color body. Yes, it is of giraffe. So answer is giraffe. Third, mouse. Here mouse has droopy ears, means hanging downside. So who has this type of ears? Yes, your answer is correct. It is of dog. Next is giraffe. Here it has big fan type ears. And who has such big ears? Yes, answer is elephant. Fifth, dog. Here dog has rabbit's ears. Sixth is buffalo. Here it has brown color ears. And who has brown color body in this picture? Yes, it is of deer. 7. Deer. It has grey color, leaf type ears. Who has this type of ears? Yes, your answer is buffalo. Here we can see different animals with different types of ears. Here we can see their ears very clearly. For example, tiger, rabbit, deer, cat, horse, mouse, elephant, monkey, etc. Now children, do you think that animals whose ears we cannot see Do they really don't have ears? If is it so, then how can they hear? Let us see this picture. In this, some animals who have ears but that are so tiny that we cannot see it clearly. For example, frog, duck, peacock, sparrow means all birds, crow, fish, ant, lizard, etc. Children, let us solve one exercise. Different animals have different kinds of ears. Among the animals given below, which one have ears that you can see? In which animal can you not see the ears? Write in the table below. Now here you have to arrange animals those ears we can see in one box and those animals whose ears we cannot see that we will arrange in another box. Everyone solve this exercise and then after check your answers. Here answer are animals whose ears we can see that are deer, tiger, pig, buffalo, giraffe, elephant, cat. Okay. Second is animals whose ears we cannot see. That is frog, sparrow, duck, fish, snake, crow, lizard, ant. Right? Let us observe this picture. Name the animals in the pictures. I have already written all the names of the animals that is given over here. That is hen, sparrow, parrot, duck, crow. Right? Now can you see the ears? Answer is no, we cannot see the ears. But they all have ears, even though we cannot see them. One question is, find some other animals which have ears that we cannot see. Write their names. Answer is, some animals whose ears we cannot see are pigeon, cockroach, fly, ant, etc. One more exercise, read and write. First is an animal with ears like fans. Answer is yes, elephant. An animal with ears like leaves. Its answer is deer. An animal with ears on the top of its head. Here answer is rabbit. An animal with ears on both sides of its head. Answer is tiger, or you can write buffalo. Here you know very well that ears help us to hear. In some animals you can see the ears. In some you cannot. We cannot see a bird's ears. A bird has tiny holes on both sides of its head. Generally, the holes are covered with feathers. As we can see in this third picture, if we move some feathers from crow's ears, we can see a tiny hole. It is its ear. They help the bird to hear. If you look carefully, you will see tiny holes on a lizard's head. These are its ears. A crocodile also has ears like this, but we cannot see them easily. Whose skin? Now you know how to recognize animals by their ears. Let us see if we can recognize animals by their skin. Let's see other animals' skin. They have hairs on their body. They have some designs on their body. This design we called it patterns. Here Match the animals shown here with the pictures of the skin. Make the correct pattern of the skin on the picture of each animal. Everyone solve this exercise. Then after check your answer. In this picture, tiger has black and brown color pattern. Zebra, it has black and white stripes pattern. With this design, it looks beautiful. Deer has white spots. Leopard has black spots. And squirrel has black and grey colored stripes. The different patterns on the animals are due to the hair on the skin. Have you ever seen an animal without hair or whose hair have been removed? Imagine how the animals would look if did not have any hair on its skin. There would be no patterns. You might have seen some of the animals given below. Put the names of the animals in the table below. Here, you have to write names of animals as ears can be seen, has hair on skin, ears cannot be seen, and has feathers on skin. Everyone just try to solve this exercise. So children, let's check your answers. In first column, fox, elephant, pig, mouse, cat, buffalo, camel, cow have ears, can be seen. Second column, fox, pig, mouse, cat, camel, cow, buffalo, elephant have hairs on their skin. Third column, frog, hen, crow, sparrow, peacock, lizard, pigeon, duck that have ears but cannot be seen. Fourth column, hen, crow, sparrow, peacock, pigeon, duck. Here they have feathers on their skin. So children, let's solve one more exercise. In this exercise, you have to recognize animals that give birth to babies and write their names in red box, and animals that lay eggs and write their names in green box. I have already written answer that are fox, mouse, elephant, cat, camel, buffalo, pig, cow are animals that give birth to babies. In this green box, frog, hen, crow, sparrow, peacock, lizard, pigeon, duck that are animals that lay eggs. So children, from this exercise, what did you note? First is those animals whose ears you can see and have hair on their body. These animals give birth to the young ones. Second, those animals that do not have ears on the outside and do not have hair on their body. These animals lay eggs. Let's start another topic. Write something about your pet. Have you seen animals around your house or school that have small babies? Write their names in your notebook. Answer is yes, I have seen some animal in my area that have small animals like dogs, cats, rats, etc. Second, have you ever kept a pet? Does anyone you know keep a pet? Answer is no, I have never kept a pet. One my friends have kept a pet. Here I have just given example. You can write your own answer. Find out more about the pet. Which animal is it? Answer is this is a dog. Does it have a name? What is it? Yes, its name is Jordan. Who gave it this name? My friend gave it this name. What does it like to eat? It likes to eat bones, biscuits, bread, etc. How many times a day is it given food? It is given food 3 times a day. When does it sleep? For how long does it sleep? It sleeps in the day for about 2 to 3 hours. It also sleeps at night. Is there any special way to look after this animal? How? It is cleaned and bathed regularly. It is also taken to the doctor for regular vaccination. Children, here I have given you examples. You can write your own answer. Here, does it get angry? When? How do you know it is angry? Yes, it gets angry when some unknown enters the house. It barks very loudly. Does it have hair on feathers on its skin? It has hair on its skin. Can you see its ears? Yes, I can see its ears. Is it a baby or a young animal or a full grown animal? It is a young animal. Will this pet animal lay eggs or give birth to babies? Dogs give birth to babies. Does it have young ones? No, it does not have young ones. Next is draw a picture of this animal and color it. Give it a name of your own choice. Here, children, you can draw any easy picture of any pet and you can write any answer of your choice. Now, children, look at this animal. Write its name. Do you know that this is our national animal? Answer is the animal in the above image is tiger. Yes, I know that it is our national animal. All of you know that very well that tiger is our national animal. Where does it live? It lives in jungle or forest. The number of this animal are going down in India. Discuss why this could be happening. The number of tigers are going down in India due to the following reasons. First is due to unlimited hunting for their bones and skin. Yes, because tigers are hunted for their bones and skin. Due to excessive deforestation. Because people cut so many trees for their own purposes. So, thank you, my dear students. Stay home, stay safe, and complete your work.